Good morning, ma'am. My name is Michael R. Tagatagod. Section S3H. TB Plus product introduction. The sourcing of raw materials and assembly for a TB, including those with smart feature like TB Plus, involves a complex global supply chain. Here's a general breakdown. Raw materials: metals, copper, gold, aluminum, and steel are used in circuit boards, wiring, frames, and connectors. These are sourced from various countries with large mining interests such as China, Russia, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Plastic, the casing, and other components are often made from petroleum-based plastics, which are manufactured in countries like China, South Korea, and the USA. Glass, the display in panel is made from highly engineered glass, often sourced from manufacturers like Corning in the USA, with factories also located in Asia. Rare earth elements like europium and niobium are vital for producing screens and electronics. These are primarily mined in China, which dominates the rare earth market. Silicon, used for semiconductors and chips, and the silicon is typically sourced from countries like the US, Germany, and Japan. Number 2, assembly. TBs are usually assembled in several major manufacturing hubs, primarily located in Asia. There are the countries involved in the TB assembly. China, the largest hub from TB assembly, with major companies like TCL and Hisense. South Korea, home to major boards like Samsung and LG, although many of these companies have shifted assembly to other countries to reduce cost. Vietnam, in recent years, TB assembly has expanded in Vietnam due to lower labor costs.